I am so bored, you know, like every troublemaker is bored. And I was recently introduced. So I'm about to do something really bad today. Get off me, you're giving me rabies.
That wasn't part of the script. Play along before I kick you from the series like I did to Big J.
Buddy, bite him.
Wow.
Now time to cause this earthquake. Ha 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 ha. Now I need to spectate and I will watch the city crumble like in the film 2012.
Let's go guys, come on.
We're our home.
Oh, how Thicc Caillou. How dare you cause an earthquake and cause mass genocide? That's it. You are so grounded. I will never ever hand you money again. No Chuck E. Cheese. No KFC, no PC, no phone, no food, no water, no rights, and especially no life. I am pushing you.